Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to increase Android internal storage. So guys, for that, go to your phone settings, swipe down and go to your about phone. Now tap on version and go to build number. Now you have to tap on the build number at 7 times. So guys, as you can see, my developer mode is already on. So after you're typing at 7 times, your develop mode will be on. And then just go back and search for developer settings. Now swipe down and then you can see there is an option USB debugging, and you have to now turn on this option. And turning in on, you can just increase your internal storage. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.